Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Yellowknife local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find a cheap Yellowknife moving company you can count on? Look no further than 3 Movers. We offer dependable and affordable local and long-distance moving services. Whether you need to move across the country or down the street, we can help. Our movers have helped relocate students, families, businesses, veterans, and more. You can easily handle your relocation when you need to move over 100 miles with us. Our long-distance moving services include the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We know relocating can be a big job and very stressful. Our team of movers will make sure it's easier for you as we help make your long-distance move simple. Let us show you how easy moving can be. Hiring the right Canada moving company will give you a team you can trust to save you time and energy. Without movers, you may spend weeks packing up, loading the truck, and moving down the road. 3 Movers knows how to streamline the entire moving process. Our team of local movers will get you settled in sooner and with more energy. A move that might take you all week, we can do in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Yellowknife moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.